What is up, YouTube? Do you want the very easiest possible leads ever? I mean, seriously, this is so simple. Then you need to see my review of DiddlyPay. It's coming right up after this. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat, and that's because I wear a fedora. Well, you know what it is. As Joe Biden would say, you know the thing.
We hold these truths to be self-evident. All men and women created by you know the thing.
But seriously, I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere I go, and I am one of the few people who can pull on successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil. Now, sorry about Joe Biden. If you're a Biden fan, I apologize. I had to get that in. Anyway, if you're new here, what I do here is two things. I review software and products to make money online niche to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
But really, I love this thing. This is not crap at all. He says the same thing every day. He's so irritating. Can't stand that guy.
He'd say, can't stand ya. Can't stand ya.
Yeah, like can't stand ya. Exactly. Anyway, with these words, if I like a product, I'll give a tip, match the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos over here involving mindset and entrepreneurship. Thank you, Liz. I love Liz. She's a sweetheart. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe, well, it doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Welcome. We are on the sales page for DiddlyPay Pro. Okay, now DiddlyPay Pro apparently is a little bit different from the original DiddlyPay. I've been a fan, by the way, of DiddlyPay for a very, very long time. And it's a super simple method. You can see here the kind of numbers that he's getting. Now, I personally have tested this thing, and I have made money. I've gotten leads off of it. It works, plain and simple. It's one of the easiest things ever. And even for a newbie, you can get this thing going. It's super simple to use. So I want to go ahead and show you right into the members area. This is the members area. So basically, the way it works like this. So you're going to get a free product that's going to be included. Now, this is called Dumb Little Cash Makers. It's a nice little PDF offer. And you can change all the details here, by the way. Okay, seriously, you can change all the details here. But basically what you're going to do is like this. You can use the logo. Everything is done for you in this particular thing. And the way it works like this, you seed a small amount of traffic. So if you have an email list, or you have a YouTube channel, or even just on your Facebook, like literally anywhere you like, you can go ahead and seed a small amount of traffic to get people started taking a look at this thing. And the way it works like this, basically, you're going to send people to a quote-unquote sales page for Dumb Little Cash Makers. And you can also add your own thing, by the way, to this. It's not just Dumb Little Cash Makers. I'm going to get to that in just a second. And basically what you're going to do with this is like this. People are going to visit, and they're going to see two options. They're either going to see that they pay $10 in order to purchase the course Dumb Little Cash Makers, or they're going to get the option to use DiddlyPay.
I say squat, I mean diddly squat.
Yes, that's exactly right. They're going to pay squat, diddly squat. Anyway, so seriously though, what you can do here is basically you're going to send people over here, and all you got to do is basically people are going to pay $10 every single time they buy it, or they're going to give you 3 free leads. And basically then you can take those leads. Basically what they had to do is refer 3 friends in order to unlock the product for free with DiddlyPay. So they're going to pay by referring 3 friends, and you get leads or you get money, or usually you get both. I found that I was getting leads. I was also getting money from this thing. It's a very cool, very simple, easy to use method. I really liked it quite a little bit, and it just works plain and simple. It's super simple to use. And you can also add in your own products. You can add whatever you like, which brings me to my custom bonus, by the way. If you pick up any of the, even if you just pick up the basic thing, I'm going to give you a bunch of stuff you can sell or give away through DiddlyPay, you can choose how many leads people have to pay with in order to get your free gifts. You can do it 1, 2, 5, however many you like. 3 is the average that people usually use, but you can do whatever you want. And if you pick up any upgrade, I'm actually going to let you sell, quote unquote, sell my very own local video jackpot or Unstoppable, and you can set it up with your own sales page and keep the money yourself if you like, the $10 or whatever. You can actually go ahead and you'll get the full rights to sell it. The only thing is that they're going to go to a page where they do have to put in their email for me as well, but you'll be able to sell it and collect the leads, collect the money, whatever you want to do with it, basically. So let's see if we can give it back to the product creator or not.
The giant hat, sir.
Yes, indeed, you rock. Brian, who created DiddlyPay, is a friend of mine, and most of his products revolve around the same concept of basically trying to get other people to refer friends in order for him to build his list. And he's done it really successfully over the years. He's got a massive list, massive number of products that he's given out and sold and made a lot of money off of. I happen to like DiddlyPay quite a bit. I'm definitely tipping my hat. You did a great job. This is one of the simplest methods ever to use. So go ahead and grab it. You're going to love it.